Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. We are in Maui again.
Look at it.
Oh my gosh, I thought it was gonna be a lizard.
It's not a lizard, it's a cockroach.
Nice.
I think it's a cockroach.
Is
that a cockroach? It's the biggest fucking cockroach I've ever seen in my life.
Hey guys, my throat hurts.
In your eyes. Oh yeah. Oh, with the clouds you mean? With fog.
Okay, usually when we're out taking pictures and stuff, no one ever looks at us. I noticed when we're vlogging, people like look, but then they look away.
Oh.
But these people were like dead staring at us. Like
they were?
Every single person just
on the beach?
Yeah. Hi guys. We're driving.
Stuck in traffic. Good idea, Paris. Good idea.
We're going to Black Rock to jump off a cliff.
This is that dance. It's
No? You want me to show you the song that they do the dance to?
okay, well the way you were dancing, that was what you were doing.
Should I get out of the car and do it? Hi guys, I got a snow cone at a cookie place. Oh, I love this song.
You love the last song.
Oh my gosh, when we were at Macy's, it was so funny. She's like, we need a new vacuum. So I was like, okay, I'll go get one. Come up carrying the vacuum and I'm like, is this one cute? And Chris was like, yeah, how much is that? I was like, I don't know. I just picked a random one. People behind us were laughing because you know, that just is like rich girl kind of.
Does it? Were the people really laughing?
Yeah, the people behind us.
Seriously?
When the sky is filled with smoke and fire.
Hi guys. We're in a boat that we rented.
I wanted something better in the purple light. They can try to hold me down, but I'm gonna get it right.
We just got out of Food Land and bought like food. I'm super tired. I don't know why, but instead of taking
I know why. It's because when Paris. So,
here,
I've taken her, and she has done this before. This is not the first time that she's gone snorkeling. However, you would think if you were there, this was the first time she went snorkeling.
No.
That's what she was doing. I need to catch Crystal. I don't want to get eaten by a shark. When swimmers know you have fins that are this long, if you just move your hips, you're gonna go so much faster.
Okay, maybe it wasn't a shark I was scared of, like a big fish like coming and touching me.
Oh my
Like what I would do was I would wrap my legs around you.
Yeah, I was swimming away because I didn't want you touching me. I'm like, you'll drown me. Dave almost drowned. I don't know.
Hi guys, we're gonna get some. I'm just kidding.
We just got massages, and I would like another one.
So I remember the first time I got detention was for getting my laptop. I cried. Then I got a detention for something else.
That she will fail to say.
Yes.
That she deserves detention for.
So 2 weeks of it.
Don't touch that door.
Okay.
Gross.
Good morning. We are going to the gym again.
With like a 90-minute walk and Starbucks.
Every time I do that at track, Carol's like, stop. Stop. There's food now?
Oh, because it looks so terrible.
Yeah.
Baby girl, what you doing? Where your man? I just popped up.
Paris never puts me in the thing, so
Well,
she
you don't
doesn't
put
get a
me.
hold of.
You don't put me in it. We've been trying to do these handstand push-ups because we saw Dave doing CrossFit thing. Tons of guys at the beach right now.
Don't hit the other. Paris is trying to do backflips, but she is not a gymnast.
I'm walking down that road. Where did all the flowers go? They say we're supposed to grow, learning from the highs and lows. All eyes lying on me, oh, begging me play the role.
'Cause I'm gonna get it right.
Hey everybody, so we are packing up. I don't know when the next trip's gonna be, but hopefully it's pretty soon, because I missed you guys. We have not done a video in a while. Check out the description box, has my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. We will see you guys next time.
I'm gonna get it right.